Hi friends, good morning all of you. In the today's video, I would like to tell about the best books for SSC JEE Electrical. So SSC JEE paper 1 I am discussing here. In the paper 1 for 200 marks, out of that 100 marks technical and 100 marks is non-technical. For 100 marks technical, for electrical subjects will be given. For mechanical branch, mechanical subject related questions will be given. For civil related questions will be given. Here I am discussing about electrical. So see here, 100 marks weightage is here for technical, and this is the one of the best book for SSC JEE Electrical paper 1, and it is always better to practice a same question multiple times, because most of the models are repetitive in nature in this. Most of the models are repetitive in nature, even in the numericals and theory concepts are more repetitive, and numericals on just values only they will change, and most of the questions are repetitive in nature also. So electrical previous questions from 2007 to 2019 given, almost 13 years papers were covered here. So these 13 years papers, if you have practiced enough, and it is quite enough for getting good score in exam. Okay, so 13 years papers you have to practice more number of times. And see here, and for SSC JEE General Intelligence and Reasoning, there is a 50 marks weightage is there, and time plays a crucial role in this, and almost all questions, all models are repeated in this also. And see here, this is the one of the best book by Medici. Here also 2007 to 2019 question papers were covered here. All the previous questions, all 13 years papers questions will be given here. This is one of the best book. And one more book, this is by Kiran Publications. This book also nice. If you are preparing for CGL, CHSL, all SSC staff selection related exams, this is the best book. And if you are confined to only SSC JEE, this is the best book for. Okay, if you are confined to all SSC JEE SSC exams, and this is best book. Okay, so you can choose best out of it according to your interest. And general knowledge and general science, so weightage is 50 marks weightage is there for this. And see here, Manohar Pandey, Arihant Publications, General Knowledge 2021 book is there, and this is one of the best book. Okay, so previously this is the book is there, Manohar Pandey. Previously this kind of book is there, but newly edition, this is recently this was launched for 185 rupees. This is Manohar Pandey. Little more data added here in case of this first book. And quick revision, for quick revision usually use it just 30 rupees only, you can get in any bookstore, just 30 rupees only. You will get all the like polity, history and geography, physics, chemistry, all topics will be covered here. All the main outlines, main important points will be covered here, and a little deeper knowledge will be given in this next book. And this is the Lucent book. This is ideal book for all the competitive exams, not only for SSC JEE, for all the competitive exams. Almost all important questions will be covered in MCQs in this book. This is Lucent book. This is ideal book for all the competitive exams. And this book also you purchase just for quick revision and for getting more confidence on general knowledge. This book is very good. Okay, and you can get this in any bookstore. Okay, if you are preparing all kind of exams, Lucent is the best book. So these are some of the best books for SSC JEE. You can get other books also, but according to me these are the best books. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you.